Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream and onion chips at home, updated. Start by gathering potatoes, cream, onion powder, salt, oil, and a mandolin or sharp knife. Wash and dry potatoes thoroughly, then slice very thin for extra crispness. Mix sour cream, onion powder, a pinch of salt, and a splash of milk to loosen the dip. Pat slices dry before frying or baking to ensure crunch. Use a mandolin or steady knife to slice potatoes into even thin pieces for uniform cook times. After slicing, soak the slices in cold water to draw out starch and achieve crispier results. Thoroughly dry each slice on paper towels or a clean kitchen towel to prevent oil splatter and sogginess. If baking, toss slices with a light oil mist and arrange in a single layer for even heat distribution. Choose frying for instant crispness or baking for a lighter chip with the same great flavor. When frying, maintain oil around 350 degrees F and work in small batches to avoid temperature drops. For baking, use a high heat of 400 degrees F and flip the trays halfway through to color evenly. Immediately after cooking, toss the hot chips with the cream and onion powder mixture or sprinkle seasoning so it adheres.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.